Mm. Good morning, good morning. Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. I don't know if you guys are hearing me. Okay, cool. So you guys can hear. I will just place the trading plan here. Also on the daily plan, so nobody misses. Again, and there you go. I guess we are good to go. Let me see what time is it. 9:14 yet. Matt, the video from yesterday I didn't upload because I made a mistake here and I didn't record it. I didn't record the video. I'm sorry. All right, guys. So everybody's ready. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Trading plan. We have kind of lightly bullish bias. As you guys can see, we had this big news here, right? What happened was like a 1 second, this thing came down, and that's because the lack of liquidity on the books. So anything moves the price, but it came back to the place where it started, and then a little bit up, give it back, and going a little bit up. The reason that we are having like a nothing much happening here is because if you check the data from the news, it came like some things a little bit good, some things a little bit bad, but most of all, it was almost everything in line. Like it's not big deviation of what I was expecting. So no big deal about those news right here, right? Even though we have VIX going down since London, right? We have a gap with VIX, as you guys can see here from the closing, but since London, which actually matters, VIX is going down, right? And also yields are also going down, meaning market should be going up, right? Now, for the companies, as you guys can see, we have most of the companies trying to get up. Again, it's an indication that we're going to have bullish market, right? DDF, you wait a little bit, it's going to start when we open the market, but it's been proved one of our best indicators. So, man, if we are trading on the flip area, it's sideways. If we are trading on the blue area and you see that the blue is getting stronger and stronger, is a bullish movement. And if we are flip, we are trading on the red area, we're going to go down. Um, Guys, like this is helping a lot for us to see the biggest, like the main direction of the market. Okay, cool. Right now, let's talk about the levels. We're gonna open around 5,645. That would be around this place right here. This is where we're gonna open. All right. As you guys can see, we have a big bar 5,650. That's kind of like a magnet and a repellent bar. And what's going to happen is the trading plan is if we have a fail breakdown, like the price comes to the 50, tries to break, and it doesn't break the 50, goes back to 40, we might have some consolidation around here, but if it tries to break the 50, doesn't break the 50 and goes below 40, we're going to start selling if we have red DDF here, right? So if it tries to break, it doesn't break and goes below 40, 640, we're going to start selling towards the 25, towards this bar right here, okay? Cool. Now, if that breaks the 50 and stays above the 50 and we have good DDF and everything, then we're going to start trading towards the 610, I guess. Let me make sure we're going to go after 600 and 600. Wait a minute. If you break 650, definitely after opening the position, now we take on position 660, guys. The trading plan is wrong. Listen, I put here 650, but it's not. It's 660. All right, we're gonna go 10 points up, 660 towards this big bar right here, which should be also a bounce. All right. Okay, so again, if we have a fail breakdown here on 50 and we lose 40 after that, we're going to start trading down towards the 25. If we do have a breakdown here, a breakout here, sorry, we're gonna go and we have a breakout and we stay around 50 or it's strong on the depth, then we're going to start buying towards the 610. And that's just the first trade. We're not going to put any more trades here because we don't know what's going to happen. So for example, if we break the 610 and the DDF is very strong, like NVIDIA is going up, everybody's going up, and we see that like a man, we're going to break, then we're going to start trading towards the 680, which we think is going to be the maximum of the day if we keep going up. All right, guys. So this is a trading plan. I also use VIX and yields to give you more information about the main direction. The DDF is very, very good, especially if you use the heat map. You see like if the blue is getting strong and the red is like getting weaker. So keep your eyes open what's happening on DDF. You can use SPX, Triple Q, and NVIDIA, which is the main three DDFs that we have here. Is going to give you a very good direction of what's going to happen, right? And again, if you are trading the bots, remember the goal of the bots is to help you check the trades faster. So you're going to check the trade like actually before the trade showing here, like 1 millisecond before you will be on the trade already, right? And you will exit the trade 1 millisecond before this thing shows up here. So you don't have the reaction time. The goal of the bot is to help you taking the trades faster and mitigate your slippage, right? Okay, but you are responsible for the trades you take, right? Okay, the bot, you can just put the bot and let the bot go, that's all right, but like you are not taking responsibility, right? The best thing to do is to keep your eyes open on VIX, keep your eyes open on yields, keep your eyes open on DDF. It's like the platform in the end of the day has a lot of things, but it's very, very simple, right? Keep your eyes on the DDF and keep your eyes on what's happening with the bars. Keep your eyes open on the history of the bars, if it's growing or getting smaller, right? And where it's growing, where it's getting smaller. If you put together the information of the bars, you already know that 50 is a target, 610 is also a target, 80 is the highest of the day, 600 is the lowest of the day, 25 is also a target. Consolidation area will be around 40 and 50 something like that, right? The biggest bar, once it's broken, becomes a support. So you already know that. Keep your eyes open on the bars and how the bars are developing. VIX yields and the DDF is more than you need. And then the buy and sell signals, it's reliable, but also put your own feelings and your own readings before taking the signals. All right, guys. Okay. So this is the trading plan. I already put a copy of the trading plan there on the Discord, but make sure that you understand that if here is 660, I just gonna fix here. It's not gonna help you guys, but 660. All right. Okay, if you guys have any questions, let me know. About the back testing, I already told you guys 20,000 times that we are working on the back testing, and it's going to get fixed very soon because we had to rebuild the whole back testing thing because we changed ES and NEQ. It's not so simple, guys, right? And we are doing backtesting. With backtesting or not backtesting is not going to impact your trading in absolutely nothing. You can just keep going trading same way. If you want to take notes of the trades, you can just put the mouse on the arrows when you have the trading here, and you're going to see exactly the price that system took the trade. All right, guys. So, all right. Well, I guess that's it. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. The bot is working. Everything is working. If the bot's not connecting on your tradovate, it's because your tradovate is not loading fully, right? So you have to restart your computer and open tradovate, and then with the tradovate open, just restart your computer. Sometimes it solves the problems with tradovate. The bot works fine. The only problem is when tradovate doesn't load everything, like all the market data and everything, the bot's not going to work because the bot needs tradovate to work in order to work fine too. Okay, guys, cool. I guess that's it. If we opens like this, there is a huge chance we came to the VWAP before starting going up or down, all right? Of course, if you're gonna go down, of course, we're gonna touch the VWAP. But even if we're gonna go up, there is a huge chance we're gonna touch the VWAP before, okay? All right, guys, so I guess that's it. And I'm gonna be on Discord. If you have any questions, let me know. And I guess that's it. You guys take care. We keep talking on Discord. Bye bye.